In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fillable PDF digital planner in Canva. We'll keep things simple, clean, and ready for adding text boxes later. So you end up with a planner that looks great and works well. First, open Canva and use the search bar at the top to look for digital planner or planner template. This is the fastest way to see layouts designed specifically for planning pages. You'll find options that range from minimal and modern to colorful and bold. Choose a pre-designed template that suits your style and the number of pages you want. Don't worry, you'll customize everything, so pick a structure that feels right and offers enough room to write. Once your template opens, it's time to customize. Use Canva's elements, text, and layout tools to tailor the planner to your needs. Rename headings, adjust fonts for readability, and pick a consistent color palette to keep everything cohesive. Add sections for to-do lists, notes, and schedules so your planner covers your daily essentials. If your template doesn't include them, you can duplicate a page and swap out headings like to-do, notes, and schedule to build a set of matching spreads. Keep margins clean and align items so the pages feel balanced. Using simple lines or subtle boxes can help organize content without making the page feel crowded. As you design, keep it simple. The goal is to leave enough clear space where text boxes will go later. Avoid overly decorative backgrounds behind writing areas. Keep lines and boxes light. And make sure here is generous padding around each section. Think about how someone will actually type on the page. Roomy checklists. Uncluttered note areas and clear daily or weekly time slots all make the planner easier to use. A quick preview will help you spot sections that feel cramped and need a bit more breathing room. When your design looks the way you want, it's time to download. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download. For the file type, choose PDF Standard. This format keeps your file size manageable and is ideal for digital use. It's the right choice for planners that will be filled out on devices and shared online. That's it. Thanks for watching.